Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Buddy. In today's video we are going to see how to install Winrar software. It's a file compression utility. Okay, it is an alternative to 7-zip software. Okay, so let's get started. I'll open a Google Chrome browser. You can use any alternative software, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. Then in the search you need to type Winrar download. After that you need to click on the first link available, that is winrar.com. You need to go to the download section. So in this download there are different versions available. We are going to download it for 64-bit, so I'll choose this one. You can also select a particular version if you want to install, then for a specific language you want, then platform also. There are different platforms for which you can download this software. And you can also select the architecture type like 32-bit or 64-bit. So I'm looking for 64-bit. For Windows, click on search. See all these versions. I'm going to install the latest one, Winrar 64-bit. So our setup file is getting downloaded. This setup is of 3.2 MB size. Today my internet speed is a bit low, that's why it's taking a lot of time to download. Then once the setup file is downloaded, I'll click on open when download. Click on yes. You can change the destination directory over here. I'll keep it default and click on install. So it is asking for which file formats we want to use Winrar software. For RAR, zip, you can click for ISO if you want to open ISO files by default with the Winrar software. Okay, so I'll just keep all the default options checked and click on OK. So it is showing that Winrar has been successfully installed to this folder. Okay, now it has started with the trial version. Okay, we can also purchase this software. See over here it is written, please note that Winrar is not a free software. You can use it for some period of time, but only if you purchase the license you will allow us to continue to make improvements. So if you want to use this software, I would suggest you should purchase the license. I'll click on done. So where you can find it once it is installed, click on Windows Start. See, Winrar software will be installed, or else you can type Winrar and you will get that application. Click on app, open. You can just close this. If you want to buy, you can click on purchase, just close this. So this is how the interface is. You can click on add to add new files, to click on zip file. You can also extract, delete a specific file. So all these options are available. Now it is currently executing on a trial period, like an evaluation copy. So I'll close this. So that's it guys. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel for latest upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.